Hello everyone, this is Colossus and I'm back with another beginner Go Problems video, and we are going to start our last section, which is going to be section 8, cutting points. So cutting points is one of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make, and if you need practice with attack and defense, I would start here. Fix your own cutting points and cut your opponent. This is the basics of attack and defense. So in this example, we're going to play A to fix our own cutting point, and you can see that if we don't, if we play somewhere else, then actually white will disconnect us, and now we're in Atari, and we have two groups, and our stones are not working together very effectively. So connecting at A is the better move to play. Is that little Anna? Oh, little kitties are meowing. Alright, so cut puzzle 1, black to connect. So this is not quite direct, but can you connect? Remember, at any time you can pause the video and try to figure it out on your own. So the answer to this is actually to play here. So these are not connected directly, but if white plays one side, you will play the other, and if white plays that side, you'll play the other. So your diagonals are connected with in Miai. So Miai means if you play one, I'll play the other. So because there's two ways for diagonals to connect, as long as there's two ways for diagonals to connect, they are actually considered connected. Because if white plays one side, you'll play the other. All right, black to connect his stones together. And the answer is here. Now all of our stones connected, and now white is cut off. Black to connect. Here, black connects his group together and actually disconnects the white group, or the two white groups now. So now white has two weak groups and black only has one, and so black will have an advantage in the fight. Black to connect and actually cut our opponent. The answer is here, because although diagonals are not connected directly, if white plays here, it's a self-Atari, and same with the other side. So since both of these are self-Ataris, they are considered connected indirectly. All right, black to connect. There we go. Black to connect. Here we go. Going through this, I do wish I had changed the order a little bit. I would prefer some problems before others, but it can't be perfect. Can't have a perfect Go problem set the first time you make it. All right, so black to connect. So this one, the connection is here. We want our stones to connect, because if we don't, our opponent can actually cut us right here, and we can't escape. We also can't capture, so our stones will actually get cut off on the second line and die because they'll be trapped against the edge, so we have to connect to save them. All right, black to connect. So this one's a bit tricky because there's two spots that black could connect, but only one of them is in danger. The answer is this one, because this is the one that white stones are taking the liberties of. White isn't taking the liberties of any of the four liberties on this stone, so you're not really in a lot of danger over here. So if you connect, you just Atari and then connect, and then this simple ladder. So that one is not cuttable. Whereas this one, if you cut, black will die. And if you go this way, there's a cut, black will die. And if you play this way, there, black will die. So a lot of reading. I highly recommend you go through and look at those variations on your own, just for study habits. But the hint here is that white is taking a lot of liberties, so this wants to be connected. All right, black to connect. Answer is here. All right, and that is it, guys. That is all of my beginner Go problems that I have created thus far. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this playlist of videos, or this series, the Beginner Go Problems series for complete beginners. This is the first Go problems that you can do as complete beginners. And that's pretty much what the problem is for. So hopefully it helped you have a better understanding of the different sections of the games and different things that you need to learn as a beginner. And hopefully it will help you in your games when you go to play online or in person or wherever you play. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this series, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.